Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at dental calculus. And stick around because I'm going to show you teeth whitening pens at the end of the video. In dentistry, calculus or tartar is a form of hardened dental plaque. It's caused by precipitation of minerals from saliva and gingival crevicular fluid in plaque on teeth. Let's take a look at some extreme examples. Calculus can form both along the gum line, where it is referred to as supragingival, and within the narrow space that exists between the teeth and the gingiva, where it is referred to as subgingival. Brushing and flossing can remove plaque from which calculus forms. However, once formed, calculus is too hard to be removed with a toothbrush. Calculus buildup can be removed with ultrasonic tools or dental hand instruments. So don't forget to brush and floss. Now, let's take a look at those teeth whitening pens. Hey folks, if you want to whiten your teeth but want something convenient, gentle, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then check out these whitening pens. They make a perfect gift. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.